Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Coach Carol. And today we're going to talk about some of the red flags. I know it's orange. It's close. All right, red flags of when, ladies, you can start to see that there may be some things happening in your marriage, all right, and that you really want to start paying attention. I recently met with a group of Catholic moms at a parish, and we chatted, and they were glued to the ideas because they had no idea that what they were seeing happening was actually an indicator of what can come. So we want to catch it in the nip. So first off, do you get frustrated thinking that your husband's careless and messy? Maybe he leaves the milk jug or the mayonnaise jar on the counter after he makes lunch. Or maybe after work, he always dumps his shirts next to the dry cleaning basket, but he never actually puts them in there. What's up with that, right? Do you feel like you're competing, like competitors, right? With neither of you listening to one another's ideas like you did back in the days when you were dating. You would sit there wide-eyed and just loved everything that he had to say. Is that no longer the case? Are you both starting to feel tension building, right? Often with one of you retreating to the bedroom for space. Does it feel like a power struggle? And are you experiencing that constant bickering, rarely with a resolution? Do you secretly think that you're better or smarter than your man? Are you lumping him in with the kids, finding yourself not listening to him but correcting him to do things right? Is your husband working longer hours and spending more time on his phone or his device or playing video games and less time doing the things that you used to do, like playing board games or going for walks or snuggling on the couch? Do you increasingly feel resentful and unappreciated? Is he falling asleep on the couch most nights rather than coming to bed with you as he grows increasingly cold and distant? Has he stopped texting you or calling you randomly during the day just to check in? Are you hearing him say things like, nothing he does makes you happy? I just can't win with you. You don't understand how important physical intimacy is for me. I need to feel desired by you. I'd love for you to send me off with a greeting, a kiss, a smile, anything. You don't talk to me very nicely. You disrespect me. I don't feel like I matter around here. Ever hear those things? Are you experiencing cold wars where you both give each other the silent treatment for days? Do you find yourself feeling lonely, stuck, hopeless, even angry, wondering if separation or divorce is the answer? Have you been wondering if you married the wrong man? Is he afraid to do things on his own, even throwing something from the fridge that might be rotten? I had one woman say, gosh, why is he asking me if he can throw away the guacamole? Probably because he's gotten in trouble for it, right? These are all red flags that my clients share as warnings for other wives to pay attention to so that they avoid the mistakes that they made and the messes that they ended up in. Divorce, my friends, is not the answer. It brings on a whole slew of new problems when kids are broken between different homes, right? Half a week here, half a week there, lots of tears, lots of crying. When my parents divorced, I was a senior in high school, and it felt like the foundation of the world fell beneath me. Even though I had wondered for years if they would be better off divorced since they constantly fought, when it happened after 25 years of marriage, it shook the whole earth. My brother and I both suffered. Plus, when new spouses came into the picture, there were even more challenges with step-parents, stepchildren, and all the things. I know the pain firsthand, and it was that pain that gave me the courage to do unconventional work, really, that ultimately saved my marriage and my family. My husband and I were both at our son's weddings last couple of years as a married couple, and that was a miracle. I didn't want to be there with broken families and step parents and all that thing. Now, ladies, if you know in your gut that you're seeing some of these red flags and you're wondering what to do, please, no, divorce is not the answer, all right? The marriage movement that is really getting stirred up here and the work that I'm doing is saving marriages. Women are the heart of the home. We have the power to make things amazing or not. And it's not about feeling like, well, the guy gets off the hook. I heard that one recently again from a young lady. This just lets him off the hook. It doesn't. It actually claims your power as a woman, that you're not a victim at all. You can do more than you think really quickly. Your mission, should you choose to accept, is to discover and implement 8 powerful shifts to stop feeling like a resentful, exhausted wife as you rediscover happiness, reclaiming your confident, feminine self, no longer snapping at the kids or your husband and becoming a woman filled with the joy of the Lord. I'm here as your coach. I'm standing for your success, for your family, for the legacy that you are going to leave. It's time to get unstuck. Life is too short to waste one more day. Be sure to do the 10-day email course on how to become an irresistible wife. That's a great, very easy step to get started, learn more about me, get comfortable, ask questions, message me. I answer the emails. Absolutely. All right. And you can schedule a complimentary call just to talk and see if my services can help you get unstuck. I'm Coach Carol. God bless your day.